It's about 3:30 in the morning. I'm going off to McDonald's right now to spend the rest of the night. The cops are outside the hotel. My bag's in there, so I'll probably end up getting caught anyway.
You will not change my mind. I'm here to stay. I'll grind.
Oh shit, that's security. They got dogs in the site.
Oh my god.
And the site is surrounded by security and dogs. They have caught us on top of the roller coaster. What do we do?
Did anyone bring a parachute?
It looks like I'm the only person who's got away. I hid behind a chair for like an hour plus. Look at my hands. What is going on, guys? It is Just Somebody, and I have just climbed that roller coaster last night with a group of 7. But as you see, I'm the only one left because I'm the only one who outran the police dogs, outran the security, outran the guards, and hid behind a dumpster for several hours, and my hands are still dirty. Let's get into one of the most wildest videos I've ever done.
Hey guys, it's Just Somebody back again.
Hey, it is Just Somebody. Right now, I'm in Blackpool, England, and we are at Pleasure Beach Amusement Park, about to climb the tallest roller coaster in the entire country, Pepsi Max, also known as the big one. And not only am I doing it, but we are going in 7 people deep, trying to infiltrate all of this security and get to the top of the roller coaster without getting caught. This is gonna be absolutely insane. So make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button, drop a like, and get ready for all of the extra crazy shit going on my channel coming up soon. And it is hella lit with security guards right under the big one. All right, as you see, there's a white fence. All 7 of us are gonna go ahead and hop that gate and get all the way up.
Midnight, wasted, friends all around, faded, like we've got nothing to lose.
We need to get down quick.
Strangers in my sheets, wake up, rewind and repeat, but I'm still caught up on you. Nothing really mattered when we had it all. Happy ever after was an afterthought, and I've got to know.
Trying to stay low. Wow, this roller coaster is huge. Not bad for my first roller coaster climb ever. Look at that group, 7 of us.
And I need you.
Jake, freeze, don't move. All right, that's a real sketchy climb. I'm literally at 180-degree angle right now. My hands are freezing. January and I'm climbing a roller coaster. Wow, look at that drop.
That's just my point
Oh man, we are almost at the top now. Ooh, it's windy up here, huh?
of view.
How is a site with so much security not even catching us yet? Security even exists at this place. If the cops did show up, there's no way we can escape down this. In order to climb down this thing, it would take forever. It's like leaning all over the sides and stuff. I'm like literally over to the left on this thing. Whoa. We're almost on top now. Last bit of the staircase, and it's actually a real staircase. And in 2 seconds, I will be on the top of the largest roller coaster in all of the UK. Big one, Pepsi Max, whatever you want to call it. Good job, bro. Gotta wait for 5 more of us now. We did this climb with 7 people. We are on top right now and have not yet got caught. Yo, bro, how do you feel?
Fucking amazing.
Fucking
incredible.
We are still waiting for what, 3 more? Hey, that's my boy Andrew coming through right now. How does it feel to be on one of Europe's tallest roller coasters right now?
So scary.
Scary,
Like,
yeah.
The ladder, the climb up is just too much.
We're waiting for 2 more now, yeah?
I think they said they're going back.
They're going back? Why? Why are they going back?
Oh shit, that's security.
They got dogs in the site.
Oh my god.
There were 7 of us,
Oh
and
my
2 of them
God.
got scared and went back down. And when they got back down, they got caught.
The thing is that they said they were gonna like go back down. What? Because it was like sketchy on top, you know, when it starts like slanting. They got down on that bit.
I'm gonna message them saying try to run. They're being detained with dogs and security and everything. It's gonna be a long night. Hopefully I have this footage at the end of the night though. One of our friends just texted us and said they appear until the cops leave. Cops haven't even showed up yet. But when they check CCTV, they're gonna see that there's literally 5 missing people and that we didn't get back down. So they're gonna know we're up here. What do we do?
Did anyone bring a parachute?
Thing is why don't we just go down and run?
Yeah, but if we run.
How long did it take us to climb it? 5 minutes? They just heard one of us cough. Now they know we're up here. Dogs are going crazy right now. Police haven't showed up yet. We've been up here for about 20 minutes on this roller coaster, freezing our butts off. So they just all went into the office. They just took the other 2 into a room, so they're not outside anymore. We're gonna try and climb down, but it's a really, really sketchy climb, so going down is gonna be really scary. But hopefully we'll get here before the cops do. They're on walkie-talkies talking about how we're up here. I think we're just gonna run. If the dog comes, let's just hope at least some of us are faster than those damn dogs. All right, I'm going down right now. I'm taking the SD card and hiding it, so hopefully they don't steal my footage. Maybe I'll see you out there. Maybe I'll see you tomorrow if I get caught. Let's go. I just hopped the gate. I was the first one to hop the gate, so I know where anyone else is. It's been about 15 minutes since I've been running. I have no idea where anyone else is. Hopefully I'll make it to the B&B without getting caught.
Hey, check it out. Most of them are returning. One has been arrested and one is still in custody, but I mean, hey, we're a group of 5 now, not 7, but shit. As we thought it was good, cops just showed up, sped up behind us, and we all ran, hiding behind a car. Some of the people got caught. They're out there talking to them. It's been 20 minutes, and the window light just turned on. I'm in a driveway in someone's house behind a car and then behind a chair. I've been behind this chair for over an hour. I'm about to try to leave now. I just went to the B&B that we were at, and the cops are there, so I don't know what to do. Alright, so I'm going off to McDonald's right now to spend the rest of the night. It's about 3:30 in the morning. The cops are outside the hotel. My bag's in there, so I'll probably end up getting caught anyway, because I have to go to the police station to get my stuff if they do take it, which they probably will. I guess I gotta check to see if there's anybody else out there that's not caught yet. So I guess it was a sick roller coaster climb. I don't even have a phone charger, damn. Off to McDonald's. I just got a message from Jake saying that he's at the hotel with Enya, but don't come because the police are there. So it looks like I'm the only person who's got away. That's absolutely crazy. Then again, I hid behind a chair for like an hour plus. Look at my hands. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. This is absolute madness. This is insane. I got much more bigger things planned. Trust me.